Hello friends, welcome back to the journey. Today we are leaving the safety of Earth behind.
We are going to visit a place that looks like heaven.
Target locked, HD 1893b. It's 64 light years from Earth.
But I promise you, it kills like hell.
Strap in, we are jumping to hyperspace in 3, 2, 1.
Next stop, 64 light years away. Let's go.
We are currently cruising at light speed. I have time to think out here. It's quiet. Look at that nebula on the left. Absolute beauty.
And there she is, HD 189733b.
From this distance, you'd think it's an ocean world, right? But my sensors are telling a different story. Let's look at the data.
First fact, the smell. If you could smell this planet, you would vomit.
It's full of hydrogen sulfide. Rotten eggs, that is the scent of this world. Second fact, the clouds. That isn't water vapor. The blue color comes from light scattering off silicate particles. It's basically glass dust.
And because the planet spins so fast, the weather is catastrophic.
Enough talking, let's go down there and see it. Initiating dive.
Entering atmosphere now! Whoa, hold on!
The turbulence is off the charts!
Look at the window! That is the glass rain hitting us sideways!
It's shredding the paint off the hull. This is a death trap.
Hull is critical! I'm banking hard to the Terminator line to find calmer air!
Come on, break through.
There it is, the sunset. But look, it's not blue anymore. It's red.
Because of the dust, the sunset here is a blood-red haze. Absolutely haunting.
We've seen enough! Getting back to orbit before we melt. Full power! Safe. System stabilizing. That was intense. Look at the glass. Scratched by a million tiny bullets. So, knowing it smells like rotten eggs and rains glass, would you visit?
Comment below, where should ExoTraveler go next? The Diamond Planet or the Black Hole? Stay curious. ExoTraveler out.